Hello and welcome back grade 1 students. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. We are still on unit 6, objects and patterns in the sky, unit review. This is going to be the last video. For today we're going to cover the following points: unit review, page 314, 315 and 316. We open our books to page 314. Number 1. Which objects give off their own light? Choose all correct answers. A. Moon. B. Sun. C. Star. Again, which objects give off their own light? Choose all correct answers, which means we have more than one answer. A. Moon. B. Sun. C. Star. Think, guys. Which objects give off their own light? A. Moon. B. Sun. Or C. Star? Excellent! It is sun and the star. They give off their own light. Does the moon give off its own light? No. The moon reflects the light from the sun. That's why we could see it from Earth, right? Great. Number 2. When does the sun seem to rise? A. In the morning, B. At noon, or C. At night? When does the sun seem to rise? A. In the morning, B. At noon, or C. At night? Excellent! Of course in the morning. Will it seem to rise at noon? No. Or at night? No, at night you won't see it at night. Number 3. Look at the shadow in the picture. Where does the sun seem to be? A. Low in the morning sky. B. High in the noon sky. C. Low in the afternoon sky. So I'm gonna reread it. Look at the shadow in the picture. Where does the sun seem to be? A. Low in the morning sky. B. High in the noon sky. C. Low in the afternoon sky. So let's spot the shadow. Excellent. The shadow is directly under the Excellent, it's directly under the tree. Great, which means that the sun must be or seem to be excellent high in the noon sky, because when the sun seems to be high in the noon sky, the shadow will be directly under us. Okay? Clear so far? So if it was low in the morning sky, the shadow would be on the other side, which means on the left side. If it was low in the afternoon, the shadow would be where? Excellent, on the right side, but it's directly under the tree, which means it is noontime. Number 4. Which pattern repeats every day? A. The sun seems to move across the sky. B. The shape of the moon seems to change. C. The seasons change. Which pattern repeats each day every day? A. The sun seems to move across the sky. B. The shape of the moon seems to change. C. The seasons change. What do you guys think? Excellent. It is A. It is A. Each day, every day, the sun seems to move across the sky. Is it B. The shape of the moon seems to change? No, it does not repeat every day. The shape of the moon does not seem to change each day, every day. This is not something that repeats every day. C. The seasons change? No, the seasons don't change every day. They change throughout the year. Clear? We move on. Page 315. Number 5. Which face of the moon does the picture show? A. New moon. B. Half moon. Or C. Full moon? Let's take a look at the picture. Which face of the moon does it show? A. New moon. B. Half moon. C. Full moon. Excellent. It is C. Full moon. Of course. Do we see? If it was a new moon, then we won't be able to see any moon, but we could see it, right? If it was B. Half a moon, we could have seen half of the moon, but we didn't see half of the moon, which means that what? It is not half moon. C. Full moon. We could see the whole moon, so it is C. Number 6. Look at the pictures. Which words describe each picture? Write a word from the box. So we have to label the seasons. First one, what do you guys think? Excellent. It is winter. How do we know? Because due to the snow. Then what comes after the winter? Let's remember, guys. Second picture. What is this? Excellent. It is spring. Why? Because we could observe that the flowers are starting to blossom in the tree, right? And then, excellent, it is summer. Why? Because we see the fruits growing on the tree. And then it is fall. Excellent, due to the leaves changing their color, right? Changed into brown, and it will fall in a while, which means it is fall season. Number 7. Which season follows summer? A. Spring. B. Fall. C. Winter. So which season follows summer? A. Spring. B. Fall. Or C. Winter. Which season comes after summer? Excellent, it is B. Fall. The fall season comes after the summer season. Clear? We open to page 316, number 8. Which statements are true about fall? Choose all correct answers. Now when we say choose all correct answers, it means we have more than one answer. A. There are fewer hours of daylight than summer. B. Some animals move to warmer places. C. People dress to stay cool. So I'm going to reread it. Think carefully. Which statements are true about fall? Choose all correct answers. A. There are fewer hours of daylight than summer. B. Some animals move to warmer places. C. People dress to stay cool. What do you guys think? Excellent. It is A. There are fewer hours of daylight than the summer during the fall season. Excellent. And some animals move to warmer places in order to survive, otherwise they will die. Will the people dress to stay cool during the fall season? No, it's a bit cold during the fall season. Okay? So they will dress to stay warm. Number 9. Which day of the year has the most hours of daylight? The most, okay? A, the first day of winter. B, the first day of spring. C, the first day of summer. Which day of the year has the most hours of daylight? A, the first day of winter. B, the first day of spring. Or C, the first day of summer. Excellent. It is the first day of summer that has the most hours of daylight. Clear? And which one has the least hours of daylight? Excellent. The first day of winter. Number 10. How is winter different from summer? A. Winter has fewer hours of daylight than summer. B. Winter has more hours of daylight than summer. C. Winter has the same number of hours of daylight as summer. One more time. How is winter different from summer? A. Winter has fewer hours of daylight than summer. B. Winter has more hours of daylight than summer. C. Winter has the same number of hours of daylight as summer. What do you guys think? Excellent. It is A. Winter has fewer hours of daylight than summer due to Earth's rotation around the sun. Excellent. And the first day of the winter has the fewest hours of daylight throughout the whole year, among all the other days throughout the whole year. Clear? Due to the fact that during the first day of the winter, the Earth will be in a position where it is tilted away from the sun, and it will have the fewest hours from the daylight. Clear? It will be far away, really far away from the sun, so tilted really far away from the sun, resulting in fewer hours of daylight. Clear? B. Winter has more hours of daylight than summer. This is incorrect. Summer has more hours of daylight than winter. And C. Winter has the same number of hours of daylight as the summer. It is incorrect. Clear? The summer has more hours of daylight than the winter due to Earth's rotation around the sun. That's all. Thank you. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy your summer.